Hey guys, Outdoorsman here. Today I'm going to be doing a little video on how to get the strut mount assembly off for your truck or vehicle mount strut. So a lot of the problems that you'll find is that when you go to take, you'll have compressed the spring. If you want to see how to do that, that'll be in a separate video. What I'm just going to go over right now is actually the end nut here. So what you'll see is that this piston shaft inside of here is all one component and it spins freely. As you can see, I can move the end here, and then this little piece of the end here is actually moving freely. So the problem that you have is when you've taken the pressure off this spring and you want to remove this nut, the nut just spins as the spindle spins. So you actually have to clamp onto that spindle to try to get the nut to stop. Now there is an 8mm hex head on the end of this spindle. You're supposed to be able to hold it with a small wrench. Problem is it just strips right off and it just goes to nothing when you're done there. So that's pretty much useless. So I just figured I'd share this trick that I found that works fairly well for getting these old shocks apart. What I do is I use my bench vise, and so as you can see, I put the end of the piston in there and just crank the crap out of it. You really got to crank it tight. I've tried using vice grips on it, putting a vice grip on and holding it against the table, and same thing, it just strips the metal. It doesn't grab on. This is about the only way that I found that you can actually keep that thing on there. So I'll kind of show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take my 18mm wrench and get it in there. Just try to give it a turn counterclockwise. So now you can see, grab onto the rear end here and just turn this piston through the spring itself. You should see that whole assembly come out like this. Turn the camera off. And then that whole assembly comes out like that. There's your piston and your override and your compressed coil spring, which you have to be extremely careful taking the pressure off so it doesn't hurt you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and remember to subscribe to my channel.